Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be featuring some hair I got from a company called RoseHair. I got the 13x6 lace frontal wig, the high density affordable human hair. We got an 18-inch, and we're going to show you how we achieved this look. So this is how the hair looked. I also have a better visual in my previous vlog, which I'll link down in the description box below, just showing a more close look on how the wave pattern to this hair was. So you guys can definitely check that out, as well as all the products that I use in this video. I'll be listing them down below, as well as the link to this hair and to the hair store. So make sure you check out the description box so you don't miss any of that. So guys, I've never ever colored a wig before, much less dye my own hair by myself. Usually I go to professionals, so we actually got someone to help us color the hair. When we were bleaching this hair, it actually bleached really fast. Like, it took the bleach and went blonde really quick. This hair, after applying the bleach to it, it was a little dry, but I mean, like, I guess that's normal, because if I was to bleach my actual normal hair from black to like a light blonde, like, that's expected for it to be a little dry, but that's nothing a little deep conditioner can't help to fix. So we just began to add the bleach to the hair. We let it sit, and that was basically it. So this is the hair after it was processed. As you guys can see, some parts are a little bit darker than some, but that's what's going to kind of help to give it like this mermaid look, which you guys will see in the final product. So Keisha came up with this brilliant idea that she wants to do the water method, because after watching a couple of YouTube videos, she felt like she was a pro and that it was easy. So that's what she actually did. So, you know, she boiled the hot water, added it to this bin. So I'm assuming this water is supposed to be like boiling hot. So this was the color that she applied first. So this color is by the brand Adore, and she got the 112 indigo blue as well as the navy blue. And we just added it to the water. We just mixed both of those colors together just to kind of give it like a nice blue. Again, all the product information will be listed in the description box down below. So the one mistake, or I'm not sure what she did wrong while doing this method, but the only thing that happened was that the blue actually went on the lace, and that wasn't a good thing, because, you know, the lace is supposed to like blend in with your scalp and all that stuff. But I'm not sure what we did wrong. We're still trying to figure it out, but I guess it's a whole learning process for the first time doing this method. But again, it was really easy. So if you're like a beginner and want to learn how to color your hair, this is a really fast and easy method that you can try out. So next, she just proceeded to add the hair to the water, and that was it. And then you guys are gonna see in the rest of this video her getting ready for her prom and applying the hair to her hair, which was done by my girl Candice. You guys can definitely check out her page, because she is really amazing at applying wigs. Her company is called Eye Candy Creations. I'll link it on the screen so you guys can like contact her and message her, all that good stuff. But she did such an amazing job of applying this hair to Keisha's hair, and I must say the final results, you guys are going to be so blown away, because I was just so blown away to how beautiful she looked and just how beautiful the color and everything came out. So just keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. So guys, this was the final result to Keisha's hair, the water wave hair from RoseHair. It turned out so beautiful, and even with all the coloring and the bleaching, it wasn't dry at all. We just deep conditioned it and revived back the hair. Super easy to work with, and it felt so real. It looked so real. You know, we're all for natural hair looks when wearing wigs. This color did not run on her dress. That was one thing that we were scared that would happen, but it didn't. And this hair was just so easy to work with, so soft, minimum shedding. And I highly recommend this hair if you're looking for like a nice wig to try out, as well as even with it being the water wave, it held like exactly how it looks in the picture is how it looked from the time she went to prom to the end of prom, even until the next day, which you guys will see in the next vlog. Yeah, this hair was just super amazing. I'm really impressed, and definitely check out the description box down below for all the details to her hair, to her makeup, and to my friend that did her hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.